Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Petco Park. When recording this video, I watched the Mariners versus Priests. Petco Park is a baseball stadium in San Diego, California. It is the home stadium of the San Diego Padres of Major League Baseball, MLB. The stadium is located in downtown San Diego, adjacent to the Gaslamp Quarter. Petco Park opened in 2004, replacing San Diego Stadium as the team's home venue, where the Padres played from their inception in 1969 to 2003. On April 8, 2004, the Padres played their first game at the stadium, defeating the San Francisco Giants 4-3 in 10 innings. Petco Park hosted the first 2006 Baseball World Championship and the 2016 MLB All-Star Game. On July 5, 2024, Petco Park achieved a baseball attendance record during a game against the Arizona Diamondbacks, with 47,171 present people. Petco Park features unique design elements, especially the Western Metal Supply Company building, a historic warehouse incorporated into the stadium. Its southeast corner serves as the left field foul pole. Gallagher Square, located beyond the outfield wall, includes a community park and viewing terrace, among other features open to the public outside stadium opening hours. History. The stadium was built by San Diego Ballpark Builders, a partnership with Clark Construction, Arroyo Construction, and Douglas E. Barnhart Incorporated. The construction cost of more than $450 million was partially financed by a public-private partnership that included Center City Development Corporation and the San Diego Redevelopment Agency. The stadium was intended to be part of a comprehensive plan to revitalize San Diego's aging downtown, especially the East Village area. The stadium is across Harbor Drive from the San Diego Convention Center, and its main entrance behind home plate is 2 blocks from downtown, terminal of the San Diego Trolley Light Rail System. The stadium was scheduled to open for the 2002 season. However, construction was temporarily suspended for legal and political reasons. Part of that was a court ruling, which overturned an already voted proposal approving the city's share of the stadium financing package and required the proposal to be presented to voters a second time. Construction has seen more delays on the Western Metal Supply Company building, which was a historic landmark. After negotiations with the preservation community, the developers agreed to rehabilitate the building to Secretary of the Interior standards, and the building was renovated and included in the stadium design in an example of adaptive reuse. The resulting delays required the Padres to play the 2002 and 2003 seasons at Qualcomm Stadium. Location. The south side of the stadium is bounded by the San Diego Trolley Light Rail tracks along the north side of Harbor Drive, which serves the adjacent San Diego Convention Center. The portion of K Street between 7th and 10th is closed to automobiles and serves as a pedestrian walkway along the back of the left and center field outfield seats, and also provides access to Gallagher Square behind center field. 2 of the stadium's exterior entrance areas are located at the intersections of K Street and 7th and 10th Avenues. The main entrance, behind home plate, is at the south end of Park Boulevard at Imperial and faces the San Diego Trolley 12th Station and Imperial Transit Center. The stadium is also located approximately 1 mile from the Santa Fe Depot Station, which is served by Amtrak and Coaster. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Sign up. Click like to let me know that you liked the video, and share it with the people you would like to bring here. He cares for himself.